Hello and welcome to an easy, freehand mandala drawing session. I had been wanting to try this since the longest time, but whenever I would watch these tutorials, I would get intimidated by the use of compasses, scales, accurate measurements, etc. Instead, I wanted to create something freehand. In this tutorial, I share with you my technique to create a mandala freehand. So if you're like me and the thought of compasses and other instruments ever intimidated you, then this tutorial is for you. My technique is to use the whole piece of paper as part of a circle rather than drawing smaller circles on the paper. So essentially what I'm doing is that I'm drawing a section of the mandala. You'll understand more of what I mean as you further watch the video and view the finished painting. So make sure you watch till the very end. Relax and enjoy the process. Meanwhile, let me tell you a story. So let me tell you the story of a Zen master. Once upon a time, there was a man who went to a monastery for a retreat. When his program got over, he felt much stronger, calmer, and more centered. Yet he felt that something was missing. He spoke to his teacher about this. The teacher told him to talk to one of the monks before leaving. The man went to a monk. He asked him, "How do you find peace?" The monk thought for a while and said, "I always say yes." Whatever happens, I say yes. After hearing this, the man returned home. Soon after, he got enlightened. Most of our suffering and misery in life comes from non-acceptance or resistance to what is. When we use all our energy to resist what is, we become miserable. But if you accept and say yes, You begin to think what you can be in the given circumstances. That's where your power lies. So, my takeaway from this story would be this: next time something unpleasant happens, remember this story. Instead of getting frustrated, if we can just accept, breathe, and let go, then I think life is going to be much better. Let life carry us instead of we trying to control life. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. See you next time. Bye.